Hey folks, so I don't know if you're familiar with this really great tool called Grammarly. You probably have seen the advertisement for Grammarly several times before my YouTube videos, but maybe you've never used it before. So today I'm going to quick show you how we can utilize this really great resource. So if you don't have an account, you can log in. You can actually create an account for free using your BASD email address. And once you go in there, you're going to have this little dashboard on the left. You're going to click on New Document or Upload File. I'm pretty sure you can pull from Google Drive. Let's see here. Okay, well, I mean, in this case, they want us to type or paste our text or upload a document. So what I'm going to do is, just for the sake of clarity, I'm going to copy and paste the text from my paper into that Google Doc. Now, this isn't my whole paper. I'm just copying and pasting part of it just for instructional reasons, but I'm going to do that first. Okay, audience. You can say general audience. Formality, I could say it's neutral. Domain, you could say it's an academic domain. This is all like really stuff you don't need to fill out, but it does help with their feedback. I'm going to click on done. So, oh man, looks like I've got lots of mistakes so far that I have to be fixed. So what Grammarly will do is it basically, and there's not a lot of things that need to be corrected here, believe it or not. But typically what it'll do is it'll search for spelling errors, it'll search for punctuation errors, syntax, anything that's not good with your paper. I mean, I probably should have used a more janky example, but in this case, it looks like my paper is pretty good. So I'm going to actually take the work of another student. So just give me 1 minute. Let's see what it would look like if I pulled up a random student's writing. All right, so I am going to copy and paste the work of a student. And I'm not going to name this person. I'm just going to leave the student anonymous. So I'm going to do a new document. Let's see what would happen if I posted or pasted an average student's work in here. And I'm just going to say just like that. So when I paste that in, oh gosh, well, I don't want to see the premium stuff. I just want to see, okay, so there's some things with correctness that need to be fixed. So here, if I do click on these suggestions, it will tell me what needs to change. So it's saying that I should have had a comma here. So I need to do that, right? And then it'll get rid of the suggestion after I make that. Here, after book, also, I should have a comma after. Apparently I have too many spaces here, so I got to make that shorter. I'm pretty sure you could also just click. Let's see. It seems that article use may be incorrect here. Yeah, so this should be the summer party. Good. And then correct pronoun usage. She lets herself be her. That doesn't really look right, so maybe I can revise that. Maybe I can write instead, she can be herself in the closet, right? So that's pretty good, right? I've taken most of the errors that they've found, and now I have a paper that looks much better that I can submit for my final draft. So if after going through your peer revision you still feel like you could use one last check, I would really highly suggest using Grammarly. It's a free tool. It has lots of great suggestions to make your paper look awesome, and that can only really help your grade, right? So I'll leave this here for you guys. I hope it helps you. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. As always, I will catch you guys later. Next week, we start our Greek mythology unit, so that's super exciting. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.